All right, so Jeopardy. This side of the room is going to be team 1, the back team 2, this side team 3. But if you could actually get out of your seats and team up, and if you could grab the cowbell in each of your groups, that would be awesome. What? Pick it up. Right. So each team is going to, so we're going to go through category. We're going to just start in way of time. This team gets to actually pick the category first, but each of you ring the bell. Jim is actually going to call out who the bell came from first. And Hunter's going to read the question in each of the categories so that you then can answer in way of Jeopardy, who is, what is, and answer. At the end, whoever has the most points gets the closet party. So, all right, so team 1, pick your category.
Boss babe.
So 100, 200, 300. Perfect.
Oh, I think I got the easy one. Yeah. All right. Name of Mary's kids.
Got it.
No, wait. So, sorry. So listen, every question. Right. Yeah. All right. So everyone gets to have a shot at answering. They're just picking the category first. But so ring that cowbell as soon as you know the answer and you can win, right? Right. All right. So second pick. Right? So 300 to team 1.
Yeah.
Closet candy, 300.
Closet candy for 300. What is the normal lead time for your new space?
Team 1 again.
What is 4 weeks?
3 weeks.
Oh, so you have to decide on one answer. So no, next if somebody else knows, right?
Yes. 7 days.
No. Team 3. Correct. All right, next. So you guys, category. 3 weeks. So you know our lead time is 3 weeks. Our competition is 6 to 8 right now. So super good. What's the category?
Closet for 300.
Perfect.
Where did Mary get her start with closets?
I know. What ones have been done? Pretty good. What was this? 300 for what? What was the category? Okay. So what's closet candy done? 300? Okay. Next.
Closets for 100.
Perfect. Go.
How many years has HCNC been in business?
Team 1 again.
You guys better. What is it?
3 years.
Nice job. Yes. Put the bell.
Okay, Closet Craze for 100.
What did you write there?
100. Closet craze 100. Go. Hunter. Closet craze 100.
Name 3 spaces we installed.
Ew.
Oh,
Right.
So we got garage door cabinets, our closet redesign, pantries.
That's right. So that's true. That is true.
question.
I think, well, so it's your call. You're the judge. Do it. Pick. Sherry. Correct. What is? Yep. Yeah. So, 100. What ones have we done? Please tell me so I can pull them up. Okay, category.
Closet crates.
Closets for 200.
Wait, which one?
200. Closets, closets, closets.
How many spaces has HDNC installed since the opening?
What is it?
Two.
What is it? 157? 157?
They're getting killed for
It's hard.
What is 200?
No. Exact number. Ring the bell. Oh.
What is 250?
No. It's hard. Oh my God. That's right. How do you know that? I feel like they cheated. Okay. What was that?
How much is that? 200?
Yeah, 200.
Closet 200.
Okay, I did that. Okay, category. Boss babe. 100. Boss babe, 100. Get ready. Look. Go.
Get ready to shake your bells.
We have the 300.
Shake your bells. I know. I'm taking it off.
What's the question? All right. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go.
No.
Wait, no.
Boss
they already
babe.
did that. Yeah, they did boss babe.
Okay.
How many pairs of shoes does Mary have?
214. What is 214?
Nope.
What is 185?
What is 187? What is 300?
What is
So,
5?
one more. Under 150, answer again.
115.
That's right. Chaz. Oh, yeah. I know. So, was that 200? I know. He didn't say what is.
What is 115?
It's true. Chaz, you're killing it. All right. Was that 200? Or that was 100? All right. So, category. Category. You guys won. Category.
Boss babe 200.
That's it. Okay.
All right. What is Mary's favorite city in the U.S. to visit?
My hometown, Nashville.
That's right. All right. Category.
Closet candy, 100.
What is HDNC's #1 referral?
Chaz.
Property. What is property manager?
No. But that is a good source.
What are home builders?
Correct. So what was that? Okay.
All
right.
Cake, closet candy. We're slowing it down. For $200.
Well, you better speed it up. All right, 200.
All right.
Oh,
How much does HDNC charge for your closet design?
it's pretty good.
Okay, what is 3,000?
Jim.
What is free?
Free. That's right. 0. So Hampton Design comes in and does a complimentary design. And okay, so here it is. Double Jeopardy. Do the totals. Do the totals.
You guys can choose how much of your pot you want to gamble. For you guys, it's easy. You have 0. So you guys have 400.
Okay. Ready?
1,300 to gamble.
Listen. Say 1, 2, 3, and you're picking who it is. Say 1, 2, 3, and then you're picking. Oh, wait. So each team gets to have one answer. It's double jeopardy. Everybody gets a
You
chance.
have 1,300. They have 400, and they have 0.
Right. Couple hundred. What is it? All right. Okay. So one person from each team gets to decide that gets to be that. Ready? So, I know, seriously. So each person, you get to pick what your dollar amounts are.
We'll do double jeopardy for 300.
Fine.
Bet it all, come on.
What's yours? All? Well, yours all. So, I know, I'm out of time. So, who is it? So, what is... You're writing it. Yeah. Yeah. Write it down. Sure.
Tony Romo.
Flip it around.
I know, but it doesn't really matter. No. I love you. So team one. Answer. So the answer is the Dallas Cowboys. That's it. That's what it is. So team one officially wins the closet party. Nice job. So please write down all of your names on a piece of paper so that I can get invitations and all of that. On the table, you'll see that there's, sorry, I know. On the table, you'll see there's a flyer. So today only, if you guys bring one new home builder on that list and set up an appointment with me, $250 gift card. So please, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your referrals. I appreciate being in this group. I hope you had fun today. Congratulations on the winners, and thank you.